Hello everyone, this is the continuation of rewarding. Ace-Water Hotel applies differentiation strategy by offering services that competitors rarely provide. Instead of just lodging, it integrates. Pinapakita lang dito ang wellness, relaxation, and healthy lifestyle choices into the hotel experience. The water spa and hydrotherapy massage create a unique selling point. Customers don't just book a room, they book a health and wellness experience. By organic dining and fitness amenities, the hotel targets health-conscious travelers who are willing to pay more for premium specialized services.
Ang Citro Kitchen or parang mas kilala bilang Visible Kitchen is ang pinaka-key element nito is yung ma-view or makita ng mga customer kung paano nila ginagawa yung pagkain or product na gagawin nila. Sa Citro Kitchen kasi, hindi lang proseso yung makikita mo. So, dapat alam nila kung dapat maayos yung ginagalawan nila, yung malinis ang equipments, yung tama ba yung proseso ng paggawa ng product na bibilhin nila. Ang Citro Kitchen ay hindi lang sa paggawa ng product. Ito ay nagbibigay din ng entertainment sa mga customer para makita nila or para maaliw sila habang naghihintay ng kanilang product.
Way to differentiate product service include a product featured. Differentiate product service based on featured involves highlight unique characteristic, benefit, or attribute that set them apart from competitors. Siyempre po, dito po nag-include po dito yung mga quality ng ating product, design ng ating product, functionality ng ating product, and uniqueness ng ating product para po mas umangat po tayo sa ating competitors at mas tumaas po yung sales natin. And 2, linkage between functions. This involves creating a seamless connection between different function or service to provide a comprehensive solution. Kunyari po, dito po pumapasok yung mga telecom o mga telephone po kapag meron pong need na sa isang hotel tapos nasa room po, hindi naman po pwede na bumaba pa yung isang nag-check-in doon para lang po may sabihin doon sa front desk, ay pwede naman po idaan yun sa through call doon sa isang hotel.
Ways to differentiate products, services included. Product mix, also known as a product assortment or product portfolio, is the complete set of all product lines and individual products that a company offers for sale using branding and marketing to highlight a product. Links with other firms to gain a competitive advantage by expanding reach, sharing resources, and boosting innovation include strategic partnerships. Alliance and networks can be formal and formal, offering various benefits depending on the collaboration structure.
Para maiba po, ginagawa itong may mas moderno, kuliya o maraming features at detalye para maging mas mahusay kaysa sa mga pangkaraniwan. Example po ng products and complexity sophistication. Kuwari po, may bago po kayong smartphones, may dual lens camera and system at AI power processing na nagbibigay ng mas malinaw na professional na kalidad ng larawan. Marketing and image. Ang paggamit po ng marketing and image ay paglikha ng kakaiba at magandang imahe o tatak sa isip ng mga tao gamit ang mga logo, kulay o emotional na
Focus strategy is successful if the organization can choose a market niche where buyers have distinctive preference, special requirements, or unique needs, and then developing a unique ability to serve needs of the target buyer segment. The organization must identify a buyer group or segment of a product line that demands unique product attribute. Alternatively, it must identify a geographical region where it can make such offering. Focusing organization develop the skill and resources to serve market effectively. They depend themselves against the challenge via the customer goodwill. They have built up their superior ability to serve buyer in the market. Ay ganito yun. A focus strategy ay effective kapag ang isang kumpanya ay pumipili ng specific na grupo ng customer na may kakaibang needs at nagde-develop ng unique ability na pagsisilbihan sila. Kasi pag focus sa isang target group, mas nagiging magaling ang kumpanya sa pag-serve sa mga customer na yon.
Competitive operation strategy. Competitive strategy consists of a specific effort of the business organization meant to outwit or outcompete direct and indirect competitors in certain specific areas or directions. So, ang competitive operation strategy daw po ay tumutukoy sa mga tiyak na hakbang o paraan na ginagawa ng isang negosyo para malampasan ang mga competitors, direct or indirect. Parang laro ng basketball. Hindi sapat na marunong ka lang maglaro. Kailangan mong gumawa ng tamang galaw para makalaban at maka-score laban sa mga kalaban. Sa negosyo, ganito rin. Gumagawa ka ng paraan para mas maging kaakit-akit ang iyong produkto o serbisyo mo kumpara sa iba. So, hindi kasi pwedeng sa lahat ng bagay ay makikipagsabayan ka. Pinipili ng negosyo kung saan siya may kalamangan, maaaring sa presyo, serbisyo, o kahit sa kakaibang karanasan na naibibigay sa customer, at doon siya lalaban. For example, kung mas mabilis ang delivery mo kaysa sa iba, doon may ilalaban ang lakas mo. Kasi sa mundo ng negosyo, hindi may iiwasan ang competition. Kaya mahalaga sa isang kumpanya na magkaroon ng competitive strategy para mas piliin sila ng tao kaysa sa mga kakompetensya nila.
Objectives of competitive strategies. Competitive strategies may be proactive or reactive, as they may be either an offensive or defensive strategies. Proactive strategies come in the form of offensive strategies, and reactive strategies take the form of defensive strategies. Ang competitive strategies daw po, ito daw po yung mga plano o hakbang na ginagawa ng isang kumpanya para po manalo sa kakompetensya mo. May dalawa pong uri ito. Ang proactive po, naunan po gumalaw bago pa man kumilos ang kalaban. Ang pangalawa naman po is reactive. Ginagawa na daw po kapag may ginawa na po yung kakompetensya nyo. As an offensive or defensive strategies, competitive strategies are also meant to. Number 1, counteraction of key rivals. Ito daw po ay para sagutin o kontrahin ang mga kilos at estratehiya ng malalaking kakompetensya. Halimbawa po dito is kung ang isang telecom company na smart po ay naglabas ng mas murang promo.
Implementing strategy. Implementing the operation strategy involves the organizing, directing, implementing, and controlling the different facets of management effectively. The process is difficult since it requires top management to secure and manage the resources needed to achieve the business strategic objectives. Managers who can faithfully translate the thoughts of top management and job worker who have the skill and motivation to deliver the result. Implementing strategy daw po, ito yung nagsasagawa ng plano ng isang negosyo para maabot ang mga layunin. Meron itong tatlong mahalagang strategy. Ito yung organizing, directing, and controlling. Organizing, ito yung paghahanda ng tauhan at ng mga kagamitan na maaring gamitin sa isang negosyo. Directing, ito yung pagbibigay ng malinaw na utos at gabay para magawa ng mga empleyado ang kanilang mga trabaho. Controlling, ito naman yung pag-check kung tama ba or maayos ba yung mga ginagawa ng isang empleyado at pag-aayos kung may mali ba sa kanilang ginagawa. So, ibig sabihin po, ang implementing strategy ay mahirap dahil kailangan makipagtulungan ang top management, mga manager at mga manggagawa